Hello guys. So I've been using the Amex business checking account for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a really solid experience for managing my small business finances. Right off the bat, I like that there's no monthly service fee, no minimum balance requirements, and unlimited fee-free transactions. This is a huge win for any business owner, especially when you're just starting out and trying to keep things simple. Honestly, for someone like me who doesn't want to deal with hidden charges or complicated fee structures, this alone makes it super convenient. It's a straightforward, no-hassle account that lets you focus on running your business, not managing banking fees. What also caught my attention is that you can earn 1.3% APY on balances up to $500,000, which is way better than most traditional business checking accounts that barely pay any interest. This can really add up over time if you're holding on to some savings in your business account. For example, on a balance of $50,000, you would earn $650 annually, which is a great return for just having the money sitting in your account. Compared to the negligible interest that many banks offer, this is a nice perk, especially for Shopify store owners or small business owners who want to put their cash to work without taking any risks. My experience with their digital banking tools has been smooth. The American Express Business Blueprint app is surprisingly useful for tracking cash flow and linking external accounts. Even though a few accounts didn't connect perfectly at first, which can happen with any financial app, it still allows me to keep all my business expenses in one place. This saves me a ton of time when reconciling my books or reviewing transactions. With the app, I can easily monitor my cash flow, track expenses, and even set up alerts for certain transactions. It integrates well with other financial tools, which is perfect if you're using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to manage your books. Depositing funds is simple online, and making transfers is straightforward. Everything is done in a few clicks, so there's no need to visit a branch or deal with long waits. However, I did notice that same-day ACH transfers come with a $10 fee, and outgoing wire transfers cost $25. While this isn't a deal breaker, it's important to plan for it if you need to make a rush payment or transfer funds quickly. For example, if you're transferring money to a supplier or paying for advertising campaigns that require fast payment, knowing this fee is part of the process can help you budget accordingly. Using ATMS is also easy if you stick to the Allpoint or MoneyPass networks, which are pretty widespread and allow you to access your funds without worrying about fees. However, if you happen to use a third-party ATM outside these networks, there may be additional fees. As an e-commerce business owner, you may not need to use ATMS often, but it's good to know your options and plan ahead for any potential fees when you do need cash. One thing I really appreciate is the rewards program. You can earn 30,000 membership rewards points if you meet the deposit and transaction requirements in the first couple of months. For a small business, that's a great bonus to start with. Plus, you earn 1 point for every $2 spent on the Amex business debit card for eligible purchases, which is a nice bonus if you're already using Amex for business expenses. For example, if you're purchasing inventory or paying for shipping fees through your card, those expenses can add up quickly, and you'll start earning rewards that you can use for future business-related costs, like travel or even new equipment. I have used my points for travel bookings, which is super convenient and adds real value beyond just banking. Instead of paying for flights or hotel stays out of pocket, I've been able to use my rewards to cover some of those costs. In terms of customer support, I've had to call them a couple of times, and having access to 24/7 support by phone has been a lifesaver when I needed quick answers outside normal business hours. Whether it's an urgent issue with a transaction or a question about fees, knowing I can get help any time of day or night is a huge plus. As a small business owner, you're often working late or managing different time zones, so having that kind of accessibility is invaluable. On the flip side, since it's an online-only bank, there are no physical branches, so depositing cash isn't an option and overdrafts aren't allowed, which is something to keep in mind depending on how you run your business. If your business model requires frequent cash deposits or you occasionally need to cover overdrafts, this might not be the best fit. Overall, my Amex business checking experience has been extremely positive. It's perfect if you want a low-fee, high-yield business checking account that integrates well with other financial tools, rewards you for spending, and keeps things simple with a clean online interface. For example, as a Shopify store owner, the seamless integration with my financial tools makes everything from invoicing to expense tracking incredibly easy. For me, it has made managing business finances less stressful, and I feel confident knowing that my money is FDIC insured and that the account comes with solid fraud protection. It's definitely worth considering if you want a reliable and efficient way to handle your business banking. Whether you're a small business owner or a beginner in e-commerce, Amex Business Checking offers a solid, straightforward banking solution.